Hi guys, in today's segment we are going to see cardiorespiratory exercises more to do with breathing and chest expansion exercises. In our last segment we saw fitness exercises which was like cardiorespiratory fitness. So it was more to do with aerobic exercises. Today we are going to do more of breathing exercises. So for people who have been affected with COVID or for people who want to prevent themselves and stay safe, these are certain exercises you can practice on a routine basis. Alright. The first thing you need to do is sit in your most comfortable position, wear a clothing that is most convenient and sit in an environment which is more airy. Okay. It should not be that you are sitting in an environment which is very closed. If you don't have a place where you can sit outside, you can sit underneath the fan. Try to keep your windows open while doing the exercise. So we start with the first one. Keep both your hands across your upper chest, right underneath your clavicle. Your collarbone is right here. So you're just supposed to place your fingers just beneath the collarbone and you breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth this way. Breathing in, breathing out. Again breathing in and breathing out. If you see me and understand I am not breathing in like that. So don't apply any amount of excessive pressure through your nose or through your chest to suck in more air. It has to be relaxed kind of breathing. Okay. So when you breathe in through your nose once and breathe out through your mouth once, that makes one count. You're supposed to do 10 to 15 counts like that according to your convenience. After that, keep both your hands around your chest, either this way or this way. Okay, so you feel your side aspects of your chest. We call it laterals. Okay, now you breathe in through your nose, feel your chest expanding this way. And when you breathe out, gently put a mild pressure on your chest wall. Out through your mouth. Again breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. So when you breathe in and breathe out, that makes 1. You're supposed to do again 10 to 15 reps like that. After that, keep one hand on your stomach. When you breathe in, your stomach pushes outside, and when you breathe out, your stomach goes inside. Watch me carefully while I do. I breathe in and I breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So when you breathe in and breathe out, that makes 1. 10 repetitions or 15 repetitions is something that you are supposed to do. Only 1 set should be more than enough. Alright. After this, you need to keep both your hands this way. When you breathe in through your nose, take your hands apart. And when you breathe out through your mouth, bring your hands closer this way. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Repeat that 10 times. After that, lift both your arms up as you breathe in through your nose and bring your arms down as you breathe out through your mouth. This way. In, out. In, out. You have to understand one thing, that you are not supposed to excessively put strain while you are breathing. Your breath has to be gentle, smooth. Okay, so these are basic breathing exercises. We are going to do certain pranayama, okay, which means you will breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. So you're going to use both your nostrils. Close one nostril with one thumb. Take gentle breath in through your left and breathe out through your left. Again breathe in and breathe out. Try doing that 20 times on your left side and repeat the same 20 times on your right side, this way. Make sure when you breathe, your chest expands gently and brings back, or else lowers very slowly. Now, after all of this, you're supposed to do something called Kapalbhati, which is forced exhalation of air through your nose. So when you are expelling the air, when you're breathing out your air through your nose, your stomach is supposed to go crunch inside. Okay? So see carefully. Look at my stomach and I'm breathing out through my nose. So each time, just imagine that you're breathing out through your nose, just the way you sneeze, alright? And there is a contraction at your abdomen. Do it either for a minute or two, or else if you can count, start counting 50 and then gradually increase the count to 100. These are most important basic exercises pertaining to breathing. Now, people who have been affected with COVID, be it mild or moderate, or people who want to prevent themselves and make sure that their lung capacities are really good, you would need something called a respirometer. For people who have been hospitalized, this would be given to you by the hospital itself. If not, you can order one. I will also show you things that you can do if you don't have a respirometer. So if you have a respirometer, with this, you're supposed to place this mouthpiece within your mouth and seal your lips completely around the mouthpiece. So much so that no air should be passed out from either edges. And you are supposed to take a forced, deep sucking in, that is inhalation of air, okay, this way. So if you see, I am doing it slowly, so only 2 balls are going up, this way. If I do it a little more forcefully, all the 3 balls raise up. So you have to attempt to it that you try lifting all the 3 balls up this way. It's not going to happen every single time, okay? But you have to attempt doing that, right? Breathe out nicely and then that way. Okay? So before sucking in, breathe out and then suck in. After this, do that 10 times, and then after that, you're supposed to keep it inverted and breathe out forcefully this way. Remember one thing, that when you keep it upside down and you breathe out, only 2 balls will go up because your expiratory capacity is limited to 900 ml. It's not going to go beyond that. Otherwise, each time you breathe out, your lung will collapse. Alright? So 10 repetitions of breathing in and breathing out. That should be more than enough. Don't keep doing it too much. You will land up with hyperventilation. For people who do not have a respirometer with them, can use a balloon. Okay? Balloon can be used for breathing out. So keep it by the side of your mouth and you're supposed to blow the air into the balloon this way. When you blow out, relax. Again. It should be one short breath and then you breathe out. Alright? So you're supposed to repeat that 10 times. Then take a glass filled with water and a straw if you have, and you're supposed to suck in the air through the straw. That way, hold and let go. Again, suck in, hold and let go. Repeat that 10 times. So these are some basic breathing exercises. If you do at least 2 to 3 times a day, will help you heal and improve your cardiorespiratory capacity and your lung volumes and your lung capacities. Let's all stay safe. Let me know how you found the video. Let me know if it was useful for you, and if you need something else, please DM me. Kindly get in touch with me. Alright? Good luck. Goodbye.